Hello everyone, I'm Max and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to address an issue that many electricians who work at the construction of industrial enterprises don't take into account. It concerns the leaving a reserve of cable, then laying. Why do you need to do this and what unpleasant situation you may encounter if you don't leave enough stock? There are situations when you can't hide the stock anywhere. Someone is making loops near the devices, but this is also wrong and the cable stock needs to be put in the tray. And the main question is why leave this stock at all? Now I will tell you everything in details. Here you can see the installed cable route and in which the cables of the working and emergency lighting will go, and you can see that the tray retreats from the pipe by only 2 to 3 centimeters. Keep in mind that the pipe will be sheathed with thermal insulation and the tray will definitely be redone, that is raised higher. And if you lay a cable along this route without providing a reserve, then when the tray is redone, the length of the route will increase and the cable will already be short. Next you see a similar mistake by those workers who were engaged in the installation of cable lines. Here the tray will also need to be redone and additionally cut off the support shelf and weld it below. And therefore more cable will be needed here too. Let me remind you that the pipe will be pressurized, then painted, then electric heating will be installed and eventually thermal insulation will be installed. And you can see what the result might be. And here too it is a typical example when the tray was mounted too close to the pipe. The cable is hinging tight and there is nowhere to take 15-20 centimeters. And look at this photo. Initially the valve was installed, cables were connected to it, and then it turned out that this valve needed to be rotated 90 degrees along the axis. Next, you can look at a number of photos and understand what problems the installers faced in the future. I assure you, we would really like to have at least 50 centimeters of cable left at their disposal. In this photo you can also see that the valve position was changed and the cable was not long enough after that. Well, if the customer discovers such a mess, then here too the entire cable will have to be tightened. Well, I hope that I was able to explain to you why it's extremely necessary to leave a supply of cable about a meter if you work in the field of industrial construction. Thanks for watching and also don't forget, like and subscribe. See you.